All right. Would you please help me welcome all the way from Oklahoma down here into Texas, SpringStreet.
One, two, three. Howdy, Glen Road! Playing the fiddle down there on the very end from around Walden, Arkansas, Mr. Roger Sparks. Live down around Tahlequah, Oklahoma, Mr. Nick Alberti. He is the Okie from Muskogee, Mike Williams on the banjo. Playing the guitar from Tulsa, Oklahoma, Dan Nieto. Back girl on the bass from Tulsa, Mr. Steve Yoon. Let's do a gospel song for you. There's a little black train a-comin', you better get your business right. A little black train a-comin', it ain't me here tonight. We'll go and tell the ballroom ladies all dressed in worldly pride. There's a little black train a-comin', it may be here tonight. There's a little black train a-comin', you better get your business right. A little black train a-comin', it may be here tonight. Come on, Dan. Well, God spoke to Hezekiah with a message from on high. Better get your house in order, or you will surely die. There's a little black train a-comin', you better get your business right. A little black train a-comin', it may be here tonight. Well, oh, Hezekiah turned to the wall and wept with bitter tears. But God sent the prophet down, and he had it 15 years. There's a little black train a-comin', you better get your business right. A little black train a-comin', it may be here tonight. You can see the big black engine with one small baggage car. When you're out of thoughts, your wicked deeds will stop at the judgment bar. There's a little black train a-comin', you better get your business right. A little black train a-comin', it may be here tonight. There's a little black train a-comin', you better get your business right. A little black train a-comin', it may be here tonight.
kind of a Texas song right here.
Well, it's 2 eggs up on whiskey toast, home fries on the side. Wash it down with a Roadhouse coffee that turns up your inside. Just a candid Colorado diner, a waitress I did love. Sat the back neath the old stuffed bear on an antique Navajo rug. Aye, 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 Katie, shades of red and blue. Aye, 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 Katie, whatever became of the Navajo rug in you. Well, old Jack the boss, he closed at 6, and it was Katie, bar the door. She pulled down that Navajo rug and spread it across the floor. I saw lightning frame, sacred bell, wooing of the turtle dove. Lying next to Katie on that old Navajo rug. Aye, 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 Katie, shades of red and blue. Aye, 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 Katie, whatever became of the Navajo rug in you. Old Jack the boss, he closed at 6, and it was Katie, barring the door. She pulled down that Navajo rug and spread it across the floor. I saw a lightning frame with sacred bell, the wooing of the turtle dove. Lying next to Katie on that old Navajo rug. Aye, 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 Katie, shades of red and blue. Aye, 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 Katie, whatever became of the Navajo rug in you. I saw old Jack about a year ago, set the place and burned to the ground. All he said was an old bear tooth, and Katie, she left town. You know, Katie got a souvenir too. Jack smiled and spit out a big old plug. You should have seen her running through the smoke. She was dragging that Navajo rug. Aye, 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 Katie, shades of red and blue. Aye, 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 Katie, whatever became of the Navajo rug in you. So every time I cross the sacred mountains and the lightning jumps above, it always takes me back in time to my long-lost Katie love. You know, everything keeps on moving, everybody's on the go, but you don't find things that last anymore like a hand-woven Navajo